Hello, my name is Tina and I'm here to tell you today about the new eye cream I was able to test. So, I have tried out this Eucerin eye cream. It's called Eucerin Motown Eucerin Hyaluron-Filler and Elasticity eye cream. It also has SPF20 in it, which is helpful against the damaging impact of the sun rays. Well, this tiny tube, or it's not so tiny actually, because it has been giving relief, providing relief both to me and my daughter for nearly 8 weeks. But it contains 15 milliliters of the product. And it says here that if you use it, it promises that your dark under eye circles appear lighter. And I think that especially if we have stressful work or we cannot get enough sleep, we call it beauty sleep with a reason, because we all need a healthy dose of it. But today's life is very busy and we often cannot afford enough sleep. But the lack of sleep means also that we may develop dark circles here under the eye. So, if you want to do something about these dark circles, then, this is a way or one of the solutions you can use. So, dark under eye circles appear lighter. Well, do I have it dark? Well, it is light enough. And I have also slept, at least tonight. Well, it promises also to improve the elasticity of your skin and improve the brightness of your skin. I think that I have always had this brightness problem, or the lack of brightness problem. So I'm really happy that this cream comes with such promise. Well, and it promises also to plump up even deep wrinkles. Now I am 57 years old, and thankfully I have all my life long had whether oily or combination skin. I wasn't so thankful about that in my younger days, because it meant that I had more breakouts and it was called like a problem skin. And I wasn't happy in these days when I was told by the skincare specialists that you can be thankful later on in your more advanced years because you will develop less wrinkles. And thankfully you can see that I do not really have too many wrinkles in my eye area. But there are some smaller ones nevertheless, which is usual at this age. But this one promises to plump up even deep wrinkles. I would like to say that, I do not have any wrinkles because of the 8 weeks I have been using this particular cream, but, it is so and so. It is true, and also, it is true that I had less wrinkles to begin with. So that was some material to work with. Now, as to the cream, it has a smooth texture. I don't have a lot left, but, it's almost all used away by now. But, I cannot say that it has really brightened my skin, but it is not a skin cream. It is the skin cream, all right, but for your eye region skin. So, and they say that it's also suitable for the people with sensitive eyes. My daughter had an eye accident when she was using another eye cream by another branded eye cream maker. And in my case, it was a good product. I used it in the past. But in her case, one day she woke up and all her eye region was red and swollen and inflamed, and naturally Well, in the young age of 34, she was freaked out. She ran to the pharmacy to get some advice and help. She bought a certain cream to alleviate the symptoms and get the redness and swelling down. She couldn't use it because it was conflicting. There was a warning it was causing a conflict with the retinol products she had been using. So she could only use hot water compresses. But then, when the redness and swelling had gone down, she was left with a question: which eye cream to use? And since I had already this one, which I am introducing to you today, I also recommended this one to her and convinced her enough to give it at least a try. And she gave it a try, and she has been using it ever since, every morning. Now, well, the eye cream actually comes also, well, it's not a warning, but it's a note not to apply it more than 3 times a day. Now you can see it is only 15 milliliter tube, and if you apply it, well, 3 times, then it is, or more than 3 times, then it goes faster naturally. In our case, well, it has been good for nearly 8 weeks. So, as to me, well, I can testify that it has been a good product. It is a cost-effective product which doesn't break your bank, and well, I can swear on it. Yes, and I think that so can my daughter, because one day, well, a couple of days ago, I was looking for this in my room. I knew it was somewhere here. Well, I had put it somewhere here, and I looked everywhere. I couldn't find it. And then I went to the other room and I found it. It was in my daughter's room, so she has really taken a liking to it. And I advise you to give it a try too. Thank you. Bye.